Welcome to day 9 of the Big Spring Clean sale at Tonic Studios USA, where you can enjoy exclusive craft bundles at outstanding prices added daily until the 1st of June. First of today's deals, we have a dazzling glitter card bundle containing 8 packs of Craft Perfect glitter card in stunning shades. Add some sparkle to your next project with a sensational selection at 70% off, down to just $15.58. Next, we have a Sparkle Dust bundle contains shining fine-grained glitters that create gorgeous burnished backgrounds. This 5-pot bundle is available at a shining 75% off, down to just $8.74. Our Tim Holtz bundle is an incredible selection of Tim Holtz essentials, including 2 scissors, retractable craft knife and craft pick, available at 50% off to just $21.23. Finally, we have a Mega Miniature Moments Sentiments die set bundle with 11 bright and fun phrases. This bundle is available for a limited time at 70% off to just $26.37. That's day 9 of our Big Spring Clean sale. Get these limited edition bundles while you can and check back tomorrow for more amazing deals.